Hey man, 3 a.m. My light died, so couldn't really have the right light for the video. I got the Donk back in, and man, see, that's what I tell y'all, need more space. I'm literally by the hell my chin not hitting this motor. I could push this motor up, move it over, but I really don't want to move this messy stuff all over the garage. Shouldn't leak on the car bumper, but that's the only place it can leak is on the bumper, but it shouldn't. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some plastic for it, so I really don't want this leaking anywhere. And put some more of this dry sweep down. This stuff's so messy, man. I might have to cancel Christmas on mechanical, do my own stuff, maybe it. Put the springs on, then seal the motor back up. I probably can put the injectors on. I'm gonna have to hit the yard, find these pieces. When I put that motor on there, in Kansas, I remember when I did it, I stripped one of the bolts. When I just tried to take it off, it was worse. So, gotta find another bolt. Then shoot, tomorrow I'll cut y'all back on once I get it back together. I'm gonna try to clean it and try to paint it. I might just go black since the engine bay black. I don't know what gonna be for that car. And black go with everything, so. Catch y'all back on tomorrow. See y'all later. So, we in a turbo Donk. And like I said, I was trying to get it bolted up, man. Actually, tried to get it bolted up yesterday, but I had to go order stuff. I ain't tell y'all, but I think I did. Flywheel bolt, one of them was already stripped from when I put it in. And when I was taking it off, it got worse, so. I had to order a whole another set of flywheel bolts. Bell housing bolts I didn't have, so I ordered a set of those. Like I said, that motor came from the junkyard, so there wasn't no bolts back there. I had to order those. Order a spacer for the trans, torque converter bolts. And then while I'm in here, I was like, man, how I'm gonna be able to, you know, get my measurement for frame mounts, right? And some say, just look and see if you even got a cross member, because that's what the transmission gonna sit on for me to know where I need to be at up here. I don't even got a cross member, so I'm setting myself back. So I gotta find me a cross member ASAP. I said I wasn't gonna talk, but this, like, if I don't find this, I ain't gonna be able to put it in. So y'all gonna have to see that. But yeah, man, we got our mounts. We ain't got no cross member, so we gotta figure out. Old mount is out on this side. I need a short extension, man. I'm actually doing this with just a long extension, sticking it through the frame, and I'm bolting it. So I'm just trying to see what I got. So I wonder, these the same holes that's gonna be used. It's actually looking like it. Nope, it's not looking like it. I'm gonna have to drill a hole somewhere. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to drill a hole somewhere. Damn. So much for that. Yeah, y'all see how I don't line up nowhere? Use these two. Don't line up. Well, line up right there. But that hole's small. It ain't for no motor mount bolt. So what I'm gonna have to do is the same thing I did on RUCCI 10. Basically, put everything together. Put the motor on these. Put the motor mount on the motor, on the frame mount. Sit it on here, mark it, drill the hole, fold it up, then put it back together. So that's what I'm gonna have to do. Pain in the ass, but I don't see no other way. Pain in the ass. But they off. Now we hunt for a Crossmeber. So, something telling me, man, just come to this car. Y'all know I don't be capping. Something telling me just come to this car and see if we got a Crossmeber, which I doubt. Nope, it freaking don't. So I'm gonna go and look for me some Crossmebers. Cause if I get that, I can drop that motor and trans in. So we gonna start looking for a Crossmeber.
The next day.
So it's the next day, and we found a Crossmeber down in Byron, Georgia, a little past Macon. I went 20 minutes from me. This same guy who I buy my Donk parts, kick handles, all kind of stuff really. Like, he hard got to get up with, but when I do get up with him, I try to buy as much as I need at the time. He can pull for me, or he let you pull it yourself as long as you know ain't tearing some stuff up. Like, he don't let people remove floors and motor and trans sometimes, because people will bring their electric saws out and cut the frame by mistake, or cut the frame not caring when they removing floors and motors and trans, stuff like that. But anyway, just hoping to get this, and I might have to fab the mount part for the trans. Like, I really just need the cross piece. Everything else, like, I can get some 1/4" steel plate, literally a 6" by 6 by 8. Cut it in half, make a plate for the trans mount, and then gussets on both sides for it to hold up with the strength. But yeah, whatever transmission Crossmeber I get, it's cool. Hopefully you put the bolts in with it, that way we'll be all right. And then shoot, we'll make whatever modifications we gotta make once we put it in there. My wife would kill me if she seen this. That's why she ain't gonna see it. So I'm gonna give me some food, hurry up back, take it out the car. And I told her that I'm gonna clean this car anyway, so she ain't gonna never see it. But she watch this video, she gonna be like, don't do that in my car no more. Blah blah blah. So yeah, this is what I was talking about. This piece right here. So you could cut this off, grind it down, and remake the whole mount part. But really, I just needed this cross piece, because I ain't got nothing at all for the transmission to sit on. So when I put the motor in there and I jack the trans up and I see, you know, how it's sitting, I could go and make that piece for the trans to sit on. And then this is the gusset part I was talking about. So I'll make a flat piece, and then these 2 pieces I'll cut, tack into place, then weld it all together, then secure it right now. Okay, Crossmeber is here. So I need to go look at the transmission and see exactly how it mounts, so I can get a transmission mount. But for right now, I'm gonna use the bolts that was on the motor mounts, because they ain't all that square no more on the corners. Here we go. Like I said, they ain't all that round no more on the corners. Them babies took a beating. So we'll mount up the Crossmeber quick and look at the trans mount and see what type of trans mount we gotta get. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Let me jump in there for y'all. So this Crossmeber is a pain in the ass, and this car got multiple bolt holes. So what I'm gonna have to do is I got the holes where I want them. I'm just hoping when I put the motor and trans in here that, you know, I get this situated first, then that. Hopefully both in the same day. No promises, never know. But that mount may be able to work, but like I say, I have no clue what's going on. Zero. Motor mounts had to be changed. So now I'm gonna look at the trans and see if you even have a mount on it. If you don't, go get one. And then we just wait on the rest of the parts. So we'll be able to bolt the thing in. And once it's in the car, man, it's downhill from there with me. All right, so this is the trans mount that was on there. That thing torqued out. Y'all see it? It's twisted. That thing, they got the business. So, energy suspension. It's the same brand of that bump stop that I put in the blue Buick. It's cheap and very, very good quality. So, this metal bracket here mounts to the polyurethane bushing with the mount inside that mount to the trans cross member. And this second plate, from what I can see, is just basically for strength. So if you ever go like too crazy, it could just break this one, so it give you another plate. So yeah, y'all can see it. Twisted. So I'm gonna order another one, and then shoot, bolt that thing on. All right, so I was looking at the G-Force Crossmeber, right? But the thing's like over $300. And like I told you, I got a $100 limit right now, so I'm gonna make it happen. Fab whatever I gotta fab, buy whatever I gotta buy, make whatever I gotta make. But I'm staying under $100 for the parts. That Crossmeber was 80 bucks, but I had to go an hour and 30 minutes basically. Next episode, springs be in, motor be clean painted. Hopefully we'll have a bell housing bolts, flywheel bolts, torque converter bolts, spacer, all that to be together. They both be mated. The oil drain, we should have everything we need to literally drop the motor in the car. From there, we just put all our accessories on, harness, intake, and with the factory truck intake, because yeah, new intake is gonna be $400+. Factory truck intake, we just, if we blow it, we blow it, but we're staying with that for now. Hopefully it's getting dropped in the car on Saturday. So today is Thursday, today is Wednesday actually. Y'all just stay tuned. If everything goes as planned, we getting dropped in this weekend for sure. I'm out.